So syntax of while loop is you can use while. I'm just writing syntax of it, and curly bracket open and close. Curly bracket open and close is called, any guess? It is called definition, right? Definition of the while loop. Curly bracket open and close is also called block. So in while loop, when you write while keyword and parenthesis, here you can write Boolean expression. What, man? I'm writing Boolean expression. It is important. In C, in C++, we do not write Boolean expression. We write integer expression, right? Like this. So while loop syntax is normally loop contains three parts. I don't know if you remember or not, right? Initialization, condition, section, and increment and decrement section. So in while loop, initialization should be done at the beginning of the loop. Like I equals to 1, I equals to 0, right? And here you can put Boolean expression. You know Boolean expression? Less than, equal. I said I less than 10. So this loop will work until I is less than 10, right? Once I becomes 11, your loop will be terminated. And here definitely I should do increment and decrement. You know increment and decrement? But we should increment the value of it. So what I'm doing? I equals to I plus plus. And this you can write I plus plus also. I hope I'm making myself clear. Huh? Hello? Yeah, I plus plus लिख सकते हो, and you can write plus plus I. Which one is better? Who will tell me? Rahim?
I plus plus.
I plus plus is better.
The same?
Both are same. This will only make the difference when you use in expression. क्या कहा हमने? I plus plus and plus plus I will make the difference when you use it in expression. Otherwise it is same. When you use as an independent atomic operation, then it is same. Right? So for you,
What is plus plus I, sir?
Same.
Plus plus I plus plus. Both are going to increment the value of I by 1. Same thing. Like in your question maybe Nagendra. So do you think it will make some difference anywhere? Answer is yes. It make a difference when you use in expression. I'll show you those kind of examples to you. Cool?
Okay.
For you it is not. I'm telling you again and again. You guys only will take the benefit of my session when you ask questions, right? You should be ready to ask questions. Simple. Because I know very well when you go through the topic, there would be a lot of confusion. So why you are here, right? To ask questions. So basically, when you confuse, you should confuse us. Make sense? Simple. Got it?
Yes.
Done. So basically, see what my plan is. My plan is I'm going to do some. So here can I make another variable? Sum equals to 0. Yeah. Then what I'm doing? My friend, we need to find the output of it. End of the day. Sum plus I. Or you can, so let's do some plus I, not a problem. No? Let's see what output comes. Let's try. Can you help me? We can complete this program. How? Class, Lupa, and public study white man, of course. What is a public study white man? You know, this is the starting point of the program. What do you say? And after string, you can write anything. Make sense? Can we write here main? Yes, you can. Fine. This is the argument name, and argument name could be anything. And why this argument name is looking like this, we'll discuss all these things when I will teach you command line argument. Say yes, you got this much?
Yes.
So let's make a dry run. Dry run means we are going to run, in our mind. So let's make a dry run of it. And in last, if you think the way I'm teaching you, you are not able to understand, it's too fast or something, whatever problem you have, you can tell me. I told you, right? I'll help you. So what I need to do is result is plus, like this is going to print as it is. Result is, this is message. In this you want to do you want to concatenate the value which is in sum. Let's see the output of it. So you know, this is the end of the main, or you need one more main that will be the end of the class. Samjhe? So we have two curly braces. One is end of, this is comment, right? End of the main. Makes sense? Or this is end of the class. Anybody have any question, query? I said any question, query? Nahi hai. So let's see the dry run of it. You know dry run? When your program will execute, you will have a box variable. Its name is sum. Na? In sum, initial value you have, that is 0. And you have another variable, integer. And integer has initial value. Can you help me? What initial value it has? 0.
0.
0. Hi. So tell me, when you go to the while loop, right? Increment is done already. Sorry, I'm very sorry about it. Initialization is done already over here. Now what you need to check is if I is less than 10, I is 0, 0 is less than 10. Yes. Then what you do? First of all, right side will execute. In this we have left side, right side. Right side will execute what you are saying, sum plus I. Sum is 0, the 0 plus 0. What it will do? Sum will store what? Help me. 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 0, eventually it will store 0. After it, you are incrementing the value of I by 1. So it will become 1. Then your once your block it reach to the curly bracket close, it will go to the condition again. Hey, 1 is less than 10, it's saying yes, right? So what you do, what you're doing? Sum equals to, sum may already we have what? 0 plus 0. Yep. Then what you're doing? Plus 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Again, your I plus plus, this value will become 2. 2 is less than 10, right? So sum may already we have 0 plus 0 plus
2.
1, and you are going to 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 is less than 10. After that 9 equals 10. जब 10 होएगा तो it will go to the while. 10 less than 10, condition become false, right? Then you will come outside the loop. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when this condition become false, you will come outside the loop, and it's saying result is in some value. That time is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 4 10 15 21 28 75
No, 35.
sorry 35
35 and 44.
and
44.
so it's going to print 44. So do you understand how while loop is working? You would say, yeah, I can make this program with for loop also. It's not a big deal. Let's make the same program with for loop. Allow me. If you
Okay.
want to do with for loop, you can use for loop. For loop may all initialization will take place here. Just syntax difference. Other thing is fine. I less than 10, I plus plus, right? So initialization and increment, decrement, everything you can write I equals to I plus 1 also. I said. So everything is in the loop. यहाँ पे you can write sum equals to sum plus I. Make sense? Done. So you tell me which one seems to be better. As a programmer, you can say, again, I don't care about it. Whatever you like it. I don't care. For me, both are same. Yes or no? Yes or no? You should say for you, both are same.
Same. But for others to understand it?
Other is other problem, right? Hello? Honestly, I'm telling you. And then you cannot say, you say while is better, for is better, people laugh at you. Got a point? They will think you are a small child. You got a point? You should behave like you have very good experience. Are you following me? And you are doing this job from a long time. That's why somebody talk like this. You get bored. You got a point? Like in Java, if you are solving some problem, right? You solve some problem by writing 1,000 lines of code. Are you following me? I solve the problem by writing 1,002 lines of code. Tell me which one is good programming? Rahim.
1,000.
The less lines of code.
Yeah, answer is I don't care. But because 1 or 2 line will not make difference, sir.
This is of the
Because
problem.
like I wrote this program by writing 1010 line. Now tell me, I would say this code is better. Why, man? Because if you have to review it. When you review it, you found this code is more readable. What, man?
More
Even
readable.
though it is 110 line, but this code is more readable. Make sense? Because when you write your code must be readable. Make sense? Or you got to confuse?
Makes sense.
Your this code is more readable. Code readability, right? Code readability is one of the important thing. I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey to you.
Yes.
Number of lines, of course, is matters, right? Just say if you write some program in 10 lines, right? And same program I write in 25 lines, then you can say, and again, your code is not good, man. It's too big code, right? Are you understand? Comparison should be done logical, in logical fashion. Logically, it should matter. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Like, I came to know, if you talk about Python, anybody heard about? In Python, if you want to swap some data, right? So in Python, I think it's very easy, right? Even though I don't know. So say if you want to swap to variable, you have to just write, like this. No need to write any code. So using this, you can swap to variable, right? But in Java, you have to write 3, 4, 5 lines of code. You cannot say Python is better. Have you got me? So basically, I want to say, on the basis of number of lines, you cannot say that is better. No. Python has this, its own importance, right? Like machine learning, and those important stuff. Because Python has some very nice library which makes it different. Got it? But there's no competition of Java. Java is the best. Yes or no? Man, you can try to find out, right? In US, you can see a lot of job is there in the Java. Yes or no? A lot of companies are working in Java. Yes or no? As a full stack developer. Right?
Yes.
So we have a lot of opportunity in Java. So Java is still I would say Java is the best. Simple as that. Fine. Other language also were nice. I'm not saying that, but since we are learning, that's good. Cool. So I have done with while loop. Prabhat can help you to do more practice, right? I have a lot of programs, right? I can give you, and you can work on that. If you understand this much, I can jump to the next topic. Like, what problem I'm facing in your batch is nobody come across any questions. Why? Somebody ask you to ask questions? Just like that? Management or anything? Like it was asked, nobody's supposed to ask question in the session? Just like that?
No. Sometimes I just feel like it's too fast for me. Okay, I'm not talking about others. Just for me.
What's your name?
Satish.
Satish. Satish, you tell me, you are from computer background or non-computer background?
I was, but like long time ago.
Okay, no issue. So Satish, you tell me one thing. In the session, whenever you don't understand, at least tell me. Nagin, you are too
Okay.
fast. Whatever you are teaching, I'm not getting. Please let me know. Because this is just beginning. As a problem is there, we can take care of it. Clear?
Okay, sure.
So what we can do is, if it is required, we can have weekend classes. Not for everybody. The people who is running behind, the people who is lagging, right? We can do that. So man, we are doctor. Understand? Until you tell us your problem, how we can sort out it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's why I'm
So
telling you, you just be honest
yeah.
with me with this. So you can talk to Prabhat because Prabhat would be most of the, Prabhat would spend more time with you people.
Yeah.
Talk to him. He will take care of it.
Yeah. I'm trying to get my hands dirty more, like during the weekend, try to solve more problems. And if I come across a problem, then I'll definitely reach out to you. But
Let
like
us
I'm
know.
working and studying too, so I work like full-time jobs. So that's why I have like
No,
very
that's
less
not.
time and practicing. So
No. Like here, I'm telling you one thing today itself. If you do not have time because of work and other stuff, right? Engagement, you cannot do it, right? It's not possible.
yeah.
I don't know. You have to plan it. You have to anyway. You have to spend time. This is not easy. What I am doing right now, it is there for Apple only.
Mhm.
But we have to learn literature. That will come soon. So this training is not easy. It's not easy at all. Satish, you understand?
Okay.
So you
Yes.
have to plan it something. If you really
Yeah.
want to become Java developer, you have to make a plan so that you can. Yeah, you do part-time job. I cannot say like that. Okay, it's your part.
Okay.
But if you guys are working somewhere full time and you think you can spend 1 or 2 hours and you'll be able to cope up with it, it's not possible. Are you following me? This is only possible for
Yes.
the people who already have done all this training and he's just joining for a few hours for revision purpose.
Oh.
Okay. So next topic which I'm going to teach you is array. Array is another important topic. Clear? So you tell me one thing. You tell me. I have an integer variable, integer x. You know what x can do? X can store what kind of variable? Integer variable. But x can hold how many data at the same time? Only one data, only one value, or multiple value? Any guess?
multiple values.
Just one?
It can hold multiple value, but at a time, right? Suppose
Mhm.
x hai. Down the line, I make hey x, you have to store 200. Then I say hey x, you have 200, 300. But tell me, x is storing 100, 200, 300. All the three values at the same time, or one value at a time?
Only
One value at a time.
Oh my God! You say hey x, you have limitation. What limitation is? X. Any guess? X, AX, you have limitation. Nisha, are you with me?
Yes.
What is limitation of X here? X is saying I'm a variable, I can hold anything integer type, but at a time I can hold only one value.
Yes.
You have limitation since you can hold only one int value at a time. Nice. Hmm? So what is A? I want to create a variable which can hold multiple value at the same time. Solution is array. So array, array is a concept. Array creates a data type, which array creates a data type which can hold multiple value of same type at. Array creates a data type which can hold multiple value of same type in a single variable. Oh, nice. So whatever problem was there, that is overcome by whom? Array.
yes.
So array, using array, you can create a variable which can hold multiple value. So let's see how to define the array. I want to declare an array which can hold 5 values. Nisha, are you with me? What is my intention? What? Do you guys have any problem to unmute and speak?
No.
No.
No. Like here, what is my intention? You talk to us, right? Like when you talk to the trainer, I'm telling you, this session, you will never feel it's online training. Honestly, I'm telling you. You will feel it is always classroom training. We have to talk. Honestly, I'm telling you, the day you make this practice, you will feel like that. And you never feel sleepy also in the session. If you only watch it and you are idle and you are not doing anything, you will feel sleepy. When you feel sleepy, honestly, I'm telling you, you never like it. Because once you started to feel sleepy, the session would be very, very monotonous and boring for you. What do you say? That's true? Okay. So here, I want to make a variable. Can you help me? Like I say, you write integer x and square bracket. Hello? Integer square bracket, and here you can write equal new and integer and square bracket, and you will decide how many value you want to hold in this variable. Can you see this?
What
This
does the
integer
square bracket do?
square bracket is a part of the syntax. Actually, it's saying I'm creating array. right? So
Okay.
here I am saying, hey X, you are array type. X, you are array type and you can hold integer data. How many data at a time? New integer. Hello.
Oh, 5.
This is size. Oh my God.
Okay.
Here you need to understand the syntax of it. X is a variable of integer type, right? But it is array. X is an array of integer, right? New integer. It can hold how many data? 5 data at a time.
5 data.
So let me show you the same thing in pictorial representation. Picture. So if I show you the pictorial representation, this is my X variable. X is a reference variable which is pointing to array. Can you see this? As a. This is the part of the left side. Picture representation of the left side. And new in 5, it will make a contiguous 5 block.
Mhm.
Rahim, with me? Right
Yes, sir.
side will make you contiguous 5 block. As a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sense? Yeah. And every block has an index number. Like A0 hai 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Mhm.
And when you make the array, right, all the block will take initial 0, 0 value. Please mark it. Nice. What I said? All the block which you creating 5, it will take initial value what?
0.
0.
0. Really? Really? 0, 0, 0. Got it? Yeah. Now you want to assign value into it. What you want to do, man? You want to assign value into it, right? Like you cannot write X only. You have to write again X, then array. Square bracket saying X is array, right? You say, hey X array at 0 index, I want to assign 2, 2. Then what happened? X, hello, square bracket means array at 0. You want to assign what?
22.
So this will be replaced by 22.
22.
Similarly, in next line, I can write X1, I want to assign 4, 4. Yeah? Then what happened, man? This will be replaced by
44. So we can
44.
put many boxes as we want in the integer array.
Many boxes, yeah, many boxes. That is the definition of the array. Array allows you to store multiple value in a single variable. Yeah? Nice.
So do you have to define like 0, 1, 2, or we can simply open the array and write the
Yeah,
value?
you have to just write the size of it. Automatically, it will take 0 to up to length minus 1.
Yes, so
It is the part
basically,
of the internal.
basically we don't have to write 0, 1 because
Nice.
no. Okay, perfect.
Let's see some example. Done it. Sir, so X is a variable. Array allows you to create a, let me write the definition. Array allows you to, arrays allows you to create a variable which can hold multiple value of, array allows you to create a variable which can hold multiple value of same type, right? Array allow you to create a variable which can hold multiple value of same type, same type at a time. Yes. Hey, what the definition I'm writing? This is my definition. So that's why I'm saying you guys are not supposed to remember in definition. Don't mug it. You simply understand, and when somebody asks question, just put in your words. So do you think you need to remember any definition? No. Don't do that. Okay? Because we are not kids. Simple. It's done. Hey, anybody have any confusion? I'll show you the programs.
No.
No. So, like array you can declare it in many. This is one way to declare the array. You are declaring the array and you are assigning the value. Let me show you the other syntax of it. There is many way to do it, sir. Nah? Many ways. So let me show you. This is another syntax of declaring an array. Declaring array. Wow, I need your help. I want to declare the array integer a. Same time I want to assign value to it also. Na? ऐसे. Like this bracket, you can declare like this. This is also syntax. Can you see this? You are not defining the size, right? Whatever value you assign, accordingly it will take the size. You see the syntax?
So it is not necessary to define the size, right?
You can, because actually whatever value you will pass to it, accordingly its size will be adjusted. Fine.
Okay.
You see square bracket? Square bracket you can write anywhere. You can write after the variable, you can write before the variable. You see the syntax? All the syntax are same.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Actually, we have 4 flavor of it. So bracket ko you can write, towards integer also. You see my style? Yeah. No? It is towards
Is there,
integer.
sir? Is there a common way to write this, or doesn't matter? Like when you're working, like it doesn't matter how you write it.
No, it doesn't matter.
Like convention, there's no
So,
conventional way, right?
no convention. This is just
Oh.
syntax. Whatever you like. Then
Gotcha.
normally we use first one. Fine. But you can use either.
Okay.
Any one of them. So then, if you want to find the length of it, right? So you know what? Here you can use integer len, and how you can find the length of the array? You can write array variable name and length attribute name. Oh, what this will give you? When you say a dot length, it will give you the number of element inside it. क्या देगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will give you 7. So if you print the length, what it will print? Nisha. If I print the value of length, what it will give you?
The size?
7.
Yeah, it will give you the length of it. Normally for array, you can say size also, but normally we say length of the array.
Okay,
It will
length.
give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will print.
Does it start
Oh,
with
so
0
does
or
it
1?
start with 0?
No. When you access it, it will start with 0. For example, you want to print all the elements, Nisha. Then it will start with 0.
0,
Let
okay.
me print the accessing, right? Size will be same, but it will start with 0. Let me write it. Yeah, what you want to print here? You want to print the value which is present at 0 position. I need your help. How? Here we have to write, tell me, a of 0, right?
0.
What it will
Oh,
print?
so
Nice. You can write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? And total we have 7, so it will go up to 6. Got it? This is the part of the thing.
yeah.
Done. So what it is going to print? यहाँ पे क्या print होगा? 10.
10.
And here it is going to
23.
print 23, 7,
8,
8,
34, 40.
34. This is called comment. 45. 40, 43. Aha. You got the idea?
Yes. Thank you.
Syntax, you cannot mug it. You forget about it. Only you should think, Nagendra was teaching and he said there is different syntax, but you don't remember. No? This is another way to declare the array. Integer a. You can do like this also. This is also valid, right? This will be very useful when you want to pass as a parameter to the function. Oh, nice. So what is the difference between first one and second one? They both are same, right? This style, you can pass to the method as a parameter. What is it? Only few people will tell you. I am telling you this. This can be passed to method as a parameter. Nisha, you got my point? So
Yes.
if you want to pass this as a method parameter, you have to use this syntax. You cannot pass method as a parameter. I don't know if it is written in the book or not. I don't know. I'm just sharing this with my experience. I never read anywhere. This we cannot pass as a parameter. You don't care about it. There is a concept, learning by doing concept. if you read it and mark it, you'll forget it. But when you use it daily, then you can remember it. Your question may be,
The
Nagin, to tell
parameter.
me where we are going to use it. This is not your question. This we cannot pass as a parameter to method. Huh? Your question may be where we are going to use it practically. Tell me that. So answer is when we'll be teaching you Spring JDBC. Hmm? Hmm.
What's Spring JDBC?
Spring JDBC is one of the very important topic of the Spring. This will come in the picture when we'll jump to the Spring. It will come after 1 month from now.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so means what we are learning
the
is when we
parameter,
use.
sir.
Pardon?
You say this can be used as a parameter?
Yeah. So I would like to tell you, like, when you call a method, I don't know, yesterday you attended a session. So like here, I have a method. Help me, public integer sum. Nah? So sum 9, whatever is it, I don't care. And this is a method, no? And this method is taking one argument. So here we say argument, right? So when you call it, you know how to call the method? Method name,
Yes.
and you can pass this value. So when you call this method, whatever value you are passing here, this is called parameter. So 12 is the parameter over here.
Oh,
12
okay.
is a parameter. Got it? So
Yes.
whatever you pass as a value to the method, that is called parameter. And when you give the definition, this is called argument. X. This is just technical thing, okay? X
Okay.
is in X is argument. But this is not a debate, right? Whatever you want, you say, it doesn't matter. Hmm? People, you are not replying.
Oh, yes.
Done? Yeah. So I have done with array. Hmm? So I can show you some example of the array. Let me show you very quickly.
I have a quick question about array.
Tell me.
Yeah, so for array, do we need to use only integer data type, or can we use any other data type, like using character?
Anything you can use it. We can make
Okay.
an array of character. Let's make it card,
Okay.
name, nah? As it. Yep. And here you can write the character in single quote. Nah?
Yeah. Okay.
N E. Sorry. Comma. N. Got it? Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
This
Okay.
is called array of characters.
Okay.
Array of. So you can make an array of any type. Oh, nice. Very big thing.
Okay.
Array of any type, right? Array of characters, but you can make array of integer, array of double, array of boolean, array of customer, array of dog. Oh, nice. Anything. I can make an array of anything. That's nice concept. Yeah.
That just saves a lot of space.
What you said? Can you come again? It takes.
It saves a lot of space.
Okay, that's cool. I have done with array, right? In array, this is called 1D array, right? One dimensional array. But we have 2-dimensional array also, but you don't require right now. If it comes, it will come on the way, we'll cover it. Clear? This is called 1-dimensional array. This is 1-dimensional array. That's fine. That's fine. Like here, if I want, I can write the proposal here. Let me make one program for you. But program is fine, right? I told you my job is not. But whatever program I'm showing, I can show you over there. Let me do one program for you, right? Array, magic. So basically, hey, what my intention is, please help me. I'm making array. You know how to make array? Yes. So you see array, and in this array, I'm going to store. There's a lot of syntax. I told you. This is also another syntax. No? What do you like? So tell me. We have 1, we have 2, we have 6, we have D. Yeah. 10, 11. Yeah, what is my intention, Nisha? My intention is whatever. First of all, I want to print all the values. Allow me. Kaise? For Nisha. There's a two kind of syntax. So you can do it as a layman. Start with 0. Na? You have to go up to what? Starting with 0, you will go up to length minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me what is the length of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
8, yeah.
How you can find the length of it? You can say array dot length variable. Na? So tell me, automatically I is 0 and I become less than 8. Yes. Na? Why I'm writing less than? Because I cannot go up to the length. No. It will give you some exception, problem. So basically what I want to do here, like here, I want to print all the elements. You see my style? You got this idea? Like, first of all, I is 0, I less than equals to
But
8. So it will print a array of 0. Then it will go and increment the I 2. Array I becomes 1. And 1 is less than length of the array 8. So again it will print array of 1. Na? So what it is going to print, Nisha? 0, 1,
0,
2, na? Up to length minus 1. Length is 8, so it will go up to 7.
7,
Yes.
yes.
Try. Yeah. You see? 1, 2, 6, 7. I'll take everything. Right? Yep. Hello. Then what is my intention, Nisha? My intention is whatever value we have, I want to multiply by 2 and put at the same place. Means I want to take 1 and 1 I want to multiply with 2, so it becomes 2. 2 I want to take, 2 I'll multiply with 2 and then again I will put back. It will become 4. Got it?
Yeah.
So what is my agenda? All the value in the array should be multiplied by 2. कैसे करूँगा? Nisha, you see. You access it, then multiply with 2. No? Whatever value you are getting, you just assign to it back. You got my funda?
Uh-huh.
What I did, I took this data and I multiply with 2 and again I assign back to the same place. Done. To tell me, after printing this element, I need to use another loop. Huh? New result is, Nisha, new result is what you can do, but you can print the same thing again. Can you see my style?
Yeah.
You got a point? Here I am printing it and then multiplying its value by 2 and storing it back. So first time it will print what? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. And second time 2,
8 to
4,
2.
12. Let's run it. Okay, my program is not saved. When you write the program, say save it. Can you see this, please? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Then just double of it. 2, 4.
Yeah.
12. Do you understand this funda or not? Do you understand this concept?
Yes, I did.
Very nice. Very nice. Let me show you one of the another syntax to print the array. That is very nice. Nah? What I'm going to teach you? Another syntax to print another syntax to print array, elements of all the array. Make sense to you? Yep. Nisha, what I'm going to do? Nothing. Just another syntax to print all the data. For A, you tell me which one you like. In teaser, you just write a variable name like tempa, any variable name, colon. You can write the array. Nisha, no need to do any
Yes.
initialization, no need to put the condition, no increment and decrement section. You tell me which one seems to be cool to you. Let me tell you how it works first. Hello. Like here, let me show you the picture representation of. Yeah. Nah? Because normally I have seen people are confused in this. That's why. I know a little bit fast. Yeah. Nah? So I need to show you very fancy syntax to print all the values. Can you see this? Oh, in this syntax, what is the beauty? No initialization, no condition, no increment and decrement section. Oh, nice. This syntax really seems to be cool. compared to the other syntax. But how it works? Like you see the syntax, right? Like here you have to make a variable, and this is the array, right? You can make a box. Yep. So 1, 2, kitne box hai? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na? So here you are going to store 1, then 2, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, and 45. Nisha, you got my point?
Yes.
Yep. So when you make the variable, I'm saying tempa is my variable, right? And this tempa will point into array, right? So automatically it will go and pick one element. Are you following me?
Yeah.
So when we start, it will pick the zeroth element and print it. Again, when you loop continue, it will jump to the other element. Oh, what is the benefit of it, Nisha? I want to listen from you. What is the benefit? Benefit is no need to do initialization, no need to put less than, and no need to do increment and decrement. This seems to be very cool, right?
Yeah.
In this syntax you can do the mistake, but in this syntax you are not going to do mistake at all.
Is this
So
tempa reserved word or no?
no tempa. That's why I'm using tempa. What's your name?
Sudan?
You can write Sudan over there. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
So what do you want? I should write your name over there? No. Just kidding.
Yeah.
So you tell me which one is the best syntax? This one or this one? Hello.
Well,
If you want to print the only value,
yeah.
so this is the best syntax. Best. But I'm telling you, in this you have a lot of benefit.
Yeah, we can
Which one
just.
is beneficial? Best syntax when we want to print
Single value.
its data.
Oh.
It's data. Huh? But this is honestly, I'm telling you, I'm programmer. I told you many times, right? Not trainer. You know what I'm saying? I'm the people who can tell you where I have used what. You got my point and why. This syntax is also nice because sometimes when you are not only printing it, you want to perform some calculations. So which one is better? Not only printing the data. Nisha, not only printing the data, also doing some calculation, right? Then honestly, I'm telling you, you will find you need this loop because you need I, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Because sometime in your logic you need indexing also. So in logic, if you need indexing, so which loop you need? Nisha, you
Hello?
want to use an index also. 0, 1, you need it, right? Because in this you will not get index. Yes or no? Yeah. Here you cannot get the index. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here
Yes.
cannot access index and the array. No worries. This is my job. I'll take care of it. It's done. Here. Done. So guys, I have done with the session. Just talk.